In a shimmering glade deep within the pixie forest lived Harry the Unicorn, a creature known for his sparkling mane and kind heart. One fateful day, after sipping on a fizzy potion, Harry found himself hiccuping rainbows, which caused quite a stir among his woodland friends. Determined to find a cure, he embarked on an adventure that led him to a clever owl, a mischievous sprite, and a wise old tree, each with their quirky solutions. As the escapades unfolded, Harry learned that what seemed like a silly problem turned into a magical opportunity, bringing everyone together in laughter. In the end, they discovered that friendship could be the greatest remedy of all, creating a bond that twinkled as brightly as Harry's hiccuping rainbows.